Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Google search widget is stuck on loading or is not showing results, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Google widget loading issue on any Android phone step by step. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Open Chrome or YouTube to confirm your internet is active. If the widget still says loading, move on to the next step. Second step, restart your device because sometimes a simple restart solves the issue. Just hold the power button and tap restart, and after rebooting, check if the Google widget loads properly. Third step, clear cache and storage of Google app. For that, open your phone's settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search for Google. Scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache and then clear data. Don't worry, this won't delete your Google account, it just refreshes the app. Fourth step, update the Google app. For that, open the Google Play Store, search for Google and tap update if available. Outdated versions often cause widgets glitches, so keeping it updated really helps. And if the problem continues, remove the widget and re-add it. For that, long press the Google widget on your home screen, then tap remove. Then long press on your home screen, tap widgets at the bottom, scroll down and select Google and drag it back like this. This gives it a fresh start. And that's it. That's how you successfully fix the Google widget loading issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below which step worked for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.